I've been a journalist for about 25 years, and I was educated to lie, to betray, and not to tell the truth to the public. Not to tell the truth to the public. Not to tell the truth to the public.
In the home of the movie industry, real-life drama is bigger business than any soap opera today. A village of satellite dishes and broadcast equipment has sprung up around the Los Angeles courthouse to beam the trial of actor and...
Now let's focus on acting. Although they were hired to play the roles, we still see their acting being terrible at times. From smiles to crying, it's all very clear in this day and age. They even gave clues in the media.
The O.J. Simpson murder case was the first true reality show.
A real-life soap opera with a cast of characters who became household names.
With a cast of characters.
A cast of characters played their part. Lives changed forever, and the trial of the century now cemented in pop culture.
They're all just involved in this psychological operation.
I just think we need to get smart. I think we need to get a little more organized. I think we need to start paying attention to everything that they trying to make us not pay attention to. Because every time you see this amount of hate happening on the television, it's a distraction. That you look in one way so you're not paying attention what's happening behind you. We need to start looking behind us and seeing what's going on over there when all of this smoke is over here. We need to see if there's actually fire over there.